Hey there, Escambia County Public Schools, and welcome to a Byte of Tech with the Student Data Team. We're going to be going over how you can stay in touch with students, families, and staff as we take you through your communication module overview in your admin user series. From your portal page, you're going to choose Students and then Communication. Once your new screen appears, it does default to your inbox with any communication that you've had with any user. If we click on Compose, this particular user has profile permissions that allow them to have message, template, and announcement. Your screen may look different. For example, this says Send as District, and only a few profiles have this. Your screen may have less options. This one does not have the announcement option, or priority, or Send as District. So keep this in mind as we're moving along. Different profiles, different permissions. On the message screen, this looks like a regular email and it functions in the same manner. Your drop-down includes the student, primary or custodial contacts, once per family, the teachers of that particular student, and students as well as their primary contacts. If you have created student groups, not only will you see your student icon, you're going to see this student group icon as well. The students in this drop-down will be students that you have access to. You do have the ability for those more search options as well. Letterheads that are available to you will be in this drop-down. You also have the ability to send to staff. You have secure email, which requires that user to log into Focus to see their message, and this is recommended when sending personally identifiable student information. You may or may not see priority. Push notification does send an alert to any user on their mobile app. You're going to see that Add Log Record is automatically checked, and this will add a letter log on that letter logging field. You could copy to self, and as an admin user, students and parents do not automatically reply to you, so if this is something that you do need a reply from, you're going to need to click this box here. Down here, this is your rich text editor. This is where you will enter your message title, and this works just like email with any rich text editor. Now for a template, you could click this link to use a template that you've created or a template that is available to you. There's also the ability to use a template in that top right-hand corner as well. You also have the ability to schedule send. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a look at templates and announcements. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on those because we will have extra videos that dive deeper into both templates and announcement, and this is just an overview. So clicking this tab brings this up. You do have the option to give it a title and add a letterhead. Attaching to profiles is very important, so we'll spend time on that in the other video, as well as attaching it to a tab. If you have the ability to create an announcement, that screen's going to look like this. You'll see that you give it active times, student contacts, and profiles as well. You can put that on that mobile app and send a push notification. Your templates live here, where you can create your own new template or see templates in a table view that you have the permission to use. Announcements will live here in this inbox as well. Anything that you've sent will live in your sent box. Anything you've scheduled will be here. Your drafts are here. And a newer feature is the ability to archive. So if you are in your inbox and you have a message that's older, you do have the ability to archive this message here. Once you archive it, that message is now going to live in your archive box. Let's talk a little bit about settings. From here, there are some settings that you can choose. Remove from messaging search is not recommended. Please do not click this option. Including the student's name or user ID on each PDF page is up to you. You may want to default your views to table views instead of list. You can opt in for those push notifications, so if you do have your mobile app, you will get a notification so that you don't miss any message. And again, we ask that you do not opt out of email notifications. You can create an email signature here and an out-of-office signature. And now you've had a quick overview of your communication module. Thanks for watching. Check out our recommended video and fill out our content request form so we make videos that are just for you, because that is a Byte of Tech.